Alright, welcome to my channel, Daejeon Way, and I am here in Daejeon, South Korea. I am near the Yongmun subway station, and today I am at Brian Kim's House Grill. So I'm here to get a burger here, and this is a place. I'm going to take you in and show you how his place looks. So FYI, he is open Monday through Sunday, except Tuesdays he is closed because how do I know that? I came yesterday and it was closed. So FYI, but he's open the other 6 days. All right, so take a look at the setup. You have nice clean tables. The other one, we just had some customers there, and I'm trying to not film the customers because I don't want to make them uncomfortable. And over there, Brian is over there cooking the food right now. And yeah, it's a little more spacious. Now, he used to be next door over there. So the only thing with that spot over there, it was a little smaller. This is a little more wider, so it can accommodate more customers. All right, well, I'll see you guys in a few minutes, and I'm gonna get to trying out the food. So I'll see you soon. All right, now I am inside the restaurant. So, and I have the menu. So this is what the menu looks like. So this is, and remember, this is Brian Kim's House Grill. Now, whoa, oh no, this is a disaster already. The fork fell on the floor, but as good as Brian is, he has another one prepared. See, it's on top of it. So yeah, but I'm going to tell the fork to rest in peace now. So, yes, real quick, Brian Kim, he's actually lived in the United States for 10 years, so he actually learned how to make American-style burgers. So, and for a while, because I've been here a few times with my friends, I keep forgetting, okay, where are like places where they have a good hamburger? And I was sitting here going, where? I couldn't think because I got so busy going to this place, that place, and if you guys seen in my prior videos here in Daejeon, South Korea, you know, and where should I go next? And yesterday, I did come yesterday, but I forgot that this place is closed on Tuesdays, as I said earlier. So, but it worked out for the best. I'm kind of like on cloud 9 right now. Because before I came inside here, I met a couple of fellow Western Asians. One is an ABC. For those that don't know what an ABC is, American-born Chinese American person here. And then I met a person from New Zealand, you know, a Kiwi. So yeah, I'm kind of like on cloud 9 to have like fellow, you know, Asian Americans or Asian New Zealanders, you know, etc. So yeah, so it's kind of nice because Daejeon, we don't have a lot of, you know, Asian Americans, Asian Westerners here. They're mostly in Seoul. So I'm kind of like on cloud 9, you know. But of course, I was more on cloud 9 when I met my girlfriend. So that is the highest where I've been on cloud 9. All right, so without me babbling too much about that, I'm going to tell you about the foods because you're anxiously waiting. What do you have for us today, King? Well, of course, look at this. Poutine, yes. And this is mostly a Canadian snack here from Canada. Yes. So all the Canadians know about poutine. Yes. So Canadians, yeah, they go crazy for this stuff. Yes, to all my fellow Canadians that I know, yes. Yes, anytime I have a chance to eat this, I'm going to take the opportunity to eat poutine. So sorry you're not eating this right now with me, and I got to torture you guys. So yeah, now what I got is the Brian Burger, yeah. And what it has, I'm going to read in the menu what it has. It has a burger patty, cheese, pineapple, teriyaki sauce, egg, and grilled onion Brian Burger. Now, he does have the Monster Double Burger, but I do not want to die. And I had the Monster Burger before, you know. And I'm not gonna eat. Sorry, I'm just not gonna order the double monster burger just for you guys to give me some views and laugh at me. Well, you can laugh at me all you want. Haha, laughing to the bank. Not. But yes. So, and these are the foods that I am going to eat. So, I'm gonna start it off because I don't want to get my hands too dirty. And so I'm gonna go to town right now here. Yeah, look at them. It's hot under the plate. So, okay, there you go. See all that cheese coming out? Yeah. I don't know if it was just me. This is a much more bigger size protein. Yeah. Mmm. 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 So yeah. Oh, yes. I don't get to eat these Canadian poutines or proteins. I'm gonna laugh at my pronunciation. Poutine. Mmm. 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 Yeah. I got me some Dr. Pepper. Oh yeah. I love it. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I might just go. I'm gonna kill this in one shot here. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. So if you're a Canadian, you never tried poutine, you're gonna get laughed at by your fellow Canadian citizens. I love Canadians. They're cool. They're our friends from the north here. You know. So yeah. I kind of really like it because, yeah, I think Canadians are cool. You know why? I know, and I'll give you guys this, you're better than the United States at ice hockey. Majority of the NHL is Canadian. But I think what was cool one time was when I was watching an NHL game, the national anthem. So you guys did the United States national anthem because it was at a Canadian home site. I don't know if it was in Toronto, Maple Leafs. Yeah, the speaker went out, and guess what? The whole crowd knew the American national anthem, where most of us don't know past "Oh Canada," you know. So yeah, I was like, wow, they're pretty knowledgeable about the national anthem of the United States, Star Spangled Banner. I was proud that those Canadian fans were able to know every word of the Star Spangled Banner. And you guys could probably comment and say, do they force you to learn the American Star Spangled Banner? I'm kind of curious about that in your education system in Canada. So yeah. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. So yeah. Ooh. I know. And usually I would eat this kind of stuff at dinner, but I usually would go eat the Korean all-you-can-eat for $4 at lunch, but today I decided to just come here. Something just told me to just come here. But it worked out well. I'm kind of like on cloud nine with this thing. Mm. 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 Yeah. Yeah, and actually a couple friends introduced me to house grill. For some of you viewers watching for the first time, I've been living in and out of Daejeon for the past 5 years. So, as I said in the video, his place used to be on the other side, but this place is much more spacious. And actually, because my friend Todd, that I had on my live stream, he was telling me the story that Brian was going to close the place down till he advertised on his Daejeon Axis Facebook group. I don't know if that's still active as much anymore, and yeah, he's able to keep it going because he got all the local foreigners, because we've been all dying for hamburgers. and we all flocked over. So that was the awesome part, and he was able to keep this business going. So yeah. So I would say if you guys are in Daejeon, come to House Grill. If you're looking for a burger, American style burger, there's a place to come. So I've been here numerous amount of times. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, poutine. Yeah. I don't know. Just in the mood for that. Oh, I'm sorry. I did get ahead of myself here. So I forgot to tell you the price. The Brian burger is only 9,001. The poutine is 7,000. And then I got me Dr. Pepper here, which is about 2,001. So if I add 9 plus 7 plus 2, it's about 18,000 Korean won. Comes out to $15.50 US. And it comes out to about 800 and close to 800 pesos for the Philippines, for those in the Philippines that are following what I do. So I try to give you all of those. I don't want to calculate Thai baht right now. I haven't been to Thailand in a while. And then everyone's like, why don't you calculate in every currency possible? No, my brain can't handle any more right now. My brain is on eating poutine right now. So yeah, poutine. This cheesy poutine. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have to start buying the burger soon. I know. Yeah, the burger. Got some pickles on the side, Alright, so here's the Brian burger. I'm gonna take a challenge here. Brian burger. Yeah, look at this. Oh yeah. So yeah. Oh yeah. So we will go to the house grill. Some of you come visit me. Yeah, so if you're saying, I want a good burger, we'll go to house grill. Yeah. Yeah. So, not a bad deal here. Yeah. Got some Dr. K.A.E up in this house. Oh yeah. I might not need to eat dinner. This will fill me up for the rest of the day. Plus, I have a video to release tomorrow. So stay tuned for my video tomorrow. And yeah, today is Wednesday. What day is it? Jeez, I'm so behind. July 22nd or so. Oh, there's an egg in there. And a pineapple paste. Yeah, and by the way, he actually has a relieved hangover burger in case you had a crazy Saturday night and you wake up by 2 or 3. Yep. That was a common case. And as usual, yeah, even has the even Wi-Fi provided for you to come. So it's almost in every Korean establishment there's Wi-Fi. Yeah. Plus even that spaghetti here, just to let you know. Sorry, I'm just not one of those Africa TV mukbang, Korean guys or Korean girls eating like 4 million calories. I ain't doing that. I prefer to live, and not kill myself. So yeah, and I'll come back here if a friend wants to come back here, definitely. So I wanna, if they're dying for a hamburger, excuse me. Ooh. Yeah, I'm like on cloud 9 right now with this food. Yeah, I haven't had a hamburger in a while since when I was in the United States. Actually, they gave me an opportunity to go to Shake Shack at the airport at Incheon Terminal 2 because, you gotta go in the quarantine. Oh, yeah. We need some protein here. Yeah. Sorry to torture you guys. Ooh, poutine in the house. Yep. House Grill. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this in your face. Make sure you see that sign. That's House Grill. Yeah. There's a big sign up front, so you see him from the beginning of the intro video. So you can come here and you can definitely come say hi to Brian. He's always here. When this place is open, Brian is here. There hasn't been a time I came in here and Brian's not in here. Because why? He is the pride of this place. He is here. So yeah. Yep, so he has about 10 special burgers, so yeah. Now if you're crazy, you could try the double monster burger. So you definitely can if you like. Yeah. I know recently one of my guys who does just food reviews on the Facebook group Daejeon Peeps. He ate the monster burger. So, yeah, it's really like a big tower. I'll try to put a picture up if I can. I think I've seen the picture from my buddy, so I'm gonna maybe borrow that picture from Facebook. Try to post it up here. So, yeah. Wow, I might make it. And finish this. Yeah, there'll be no dinner for me today. One meal is all I'm gonna need today. So yeah, cloud now. Let's see, I'm gonna try to. I definitely finish the burger. You can't waste this. Yeah. Well, I had a tiring live stream this morning. Had fun with it. So yeah. So yeah, I'm kind of like having a good day so far. For those that don't know, for any Korean establishment you go to, like restaurant, it's open. Coffee shops, open. But if you go to places like Costco, you do have to follow the social distancing rules. In Costco here in Korea that I just learned, there is no dining in there, sitting at the round table or standing at the round table. So I was a little disappointed. But I forgot that Costco is not a Korean corporation, it's a United States corporation. That means they have to follow where the headquarters base is. I just remembered, oops. I assumed wrong. So I made an assumption thinking, I'm gonna go sit at the round table, eat a pizza, so I will have that video released. I had to go sit outside, sit on the bench and eat. Do a outside mukbang out there. So, yeah, ooh. Can I make it? Ooh. Wow. Wow, this is a nice and generous portion for Bhutan. And of course, I probably would be sharing the poutine with someone. I wouldn't be eating these two dishes alone. But for you guys and ladies or gals, yeah. I decided to do the 9 yards here. Okay. I made it work. Now I just need to finish a couple bites here of the Brian burger, and it's all good. Ooh, sorry, I'm shaking there. Oh yeah, I made it. Oh, yeah. But it's usually good to come with a group of people here. So yeah, if you do come here, for those that are locally in Daejeon, yeah, drop by with a few friends. You know, I know Brian would appreciate it. So come by. And if any of you subs that come make it to Korea and come visit me here, yeah, hit me up. So happy to hang out with you guys. So definitely. Now let me see if I can hold this up. So let me see here. Mr. Brian, could you come over and say hi to my subs? See, I usually can't get that to happen. See? So yeah. Look, this is Brian, yeah. So he will be here. So come over, say hi to Brian, and enjoy a burger.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yep. So, yeah, thanks, Brian, for letting me do this. All right, so if any of you enjoyed any of this content, please hit the like, subscribe, and hit that bell for future notifications. So wherever you are in the world, I want you to stay safe, and I'll see you again.